Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. This is a B1 level grammar lesson. Today we're going to review the future continuous verb tense. So describe what's happening in each image, and remember that we use a continuous tense to describe an event that is in progress. So it is raining heavily. Go with picture D. John is waiting for a train. Picture A. Eli and Sabrina are preparing dinner. That's picture B. And the students are studying at the library. Picture C. So we use the present continuous to talk about events that are taking place now. It is raining heavily. John is waiting for a train. Eli and Sabrina are preparing dinner. The students are studying in the library. So you can answer the questions about what are you doing right now. Now look at the information below and note how we talk about an event that will be taking place at a point in the future. So Sally is preparing her swimming gear now. She will start her training session at noon, and then at 12:30 she will be swimming. So we use the future continuous to talk about an event that will be in progress at a time in the future. So John is waiting for the train now. The train will depart at 7:15, the future, and at 7:30 John will be traveling on the train. Another example, the students are studying at the library. Their exam starts tomorrow at 10 a.m. The students will be writing an essay tomorrow morning. Okay, so the future continuous is the sentence structure is the subject plus will plus be plus the ing verb. I will be playing, you will be reading, he will be painting, she will be watching, it will be snowing, we will be talking, they will be sleeping. And here's the contracted form that we use in everyday speech. It's the apostrophe LL that you add to the subject. So I'll be working at the office from 9 to 5. You'll be visiting your mother at that time. He'll be driving to work at 5 p.m. It'll be snowing when you arrive. We'll be staying in Barcelona next month. She'll be talking to the staff about that issue next week. John will be moving to a new house sometime next year. Now match a phrase on the left with one on the right to form logical sentences describing an action in progress in the future. You can pause the video and try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. So please don't come at 7 p.m. because we will be eating dinner. It's getting colder each day, so I think it will be snowing by next month. We go on vacation next week, and we'll be staying at the Four Seasons Hotel. And I can't come to the concert on Sunday because I'll be studying all weekend. Now use the verbs below in the future continuous to complete the sentences and use the contracted form where it's possible. Again, you can pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. I can't come to the meeting at 3 p.m. because I'll be traveling to Madrid. In tomorrow's lesson, we'll be studying the future continuous tense. I can't see you on Saturday because I'll be visiting my grandparents. And according to the schedule, the train will be arriving at 7 o'clock. So now use the information below to express what these people will be doing at a specific time in the future. So Alex plans to study from 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. What will Alex be doing at 8 p.m.? Alex will be studying at 8 p.m. Jane's Indian cooking course runs from 6:30 p.m. until 9 p.m. So what will Jane be doing at 7 p.m.? Jane will be taking her Indian cooking course. Rachel's plane leaves Paris at 4 p.m. and she will arrive in Istanbul tonight at 7:30 p.m. What will the plane be doing at 7 p.m.? The plane will be flying to Istanbul. The Smith family intends to eat dinner at 6:30. What will they be doing at 6:45? The Smith family will be eating dinner at 6:45. So you call 4 friends one by one and ask, "Can you come to the basketball game with me tonight?" So provide a response for each friend explaining why each friend can't come. So why can't Edgar come to the game? Edgar can't come because he'll be eating with friends at a restaurant. So why can't Joe come to the game? Joe can't come to the game because he will be studying all weekend. Sarah can't come to the game because she'll be visiting her parents. Noah can't come because he'll be attending a swimming lesson. Liam and Sophia can't come because they'll be having a dinner party. And Lucas can't come because he'll be writing a report. Now, time expressions can show the time when an action begins, the time at which it is ongoing, or the period of time it will last. So now use the information provided, provide a response to the question, do you want to come to the cinema tonight at 7 p.m.? All right, so go ahead and try these on your own and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. So Leo will be attending a German class for 3 hours. Xavier will be helping his children with their homework after dinner. Beatrice will be working at the office at 7 p.m. Osley will be preparing dinner for her family at that time. And Graham will be writing a report all weekend. We often use the future continuous to describe an action that will take place over a short period. My course starts at 6 p.m. and finishes at 7 p.m. At 6:30, I'll be attending my course. However, we can also use the future continuous to talk about an action that will continue for a long time. For example, I'll be studying all next year. We'll be living here until the children grow up, and they will be talking about that tragedy for a long time. Now, we don't always know the future, though we sometimes assume what will be happening. For example, Cheryl has a young baby. She usually feeds the baby sometime between 6 and 7 p.m. Don't call Cheryl at 6 p.m. because she'll be feeding the baby. The weather forecast predicts that it will rain from 10 p.m. tonight until later tomorrow evening. There's no point going to the beach tomorrow. It'll be raining all day. So complete each sentence with a verb in the future continuous and, when possible, use a contracted form. And you can pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. So by the end of the year, I'll be speaking English like you. I guess she'll be living at home for a few more years. We can't ask Timothy to come because he'll be working at the office until late. And I expect that everyone will be attending the meeting tomorrow. So now practice answering these questions about yourself. What will you be doing tonight? What will you be doing over the summer? will you be doing on Saturday morning? And what will you be doing tomorrow at 8 a.m.? And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.